Hello sir, my product is an integrated deep and handcrafted image features for MRI brain scan classification. Our product guide is M. Narendra Prasad sir. I am T. Ramkumar and my batchmates are S. Akila, T. Nikhil and P. Deepika. Our aim is to detect whether the brain is normal or abnormal using MATLAB software. If in case the brain is detected as normal, there is no tumor in it. If the brain is detected as abnormal, then we further classify whether the tumor is benign tumor or malignant tumor. The input feed here is MRI brain scan. Here we use the MATLAB version R2016B. First, we train the device using this code. In this code, we use deep learning concept of artificial intelligence and MATLAB to classify whether the brain is normal or abnormal. And then the main code. In this main code, we will feed the input image as MRI brain scan. You can see that in the line number 10. And then we use the grayscale gray co-occurrence matrix, gray level co-occurrence matrix. That is, you can see at the line number 18, in which the input image is converted into the grayscale image. And then in line number 22, you can see the auto encoder line, in which it takes few parameters from the image processed before. The parameters are contrast, correlation, energy, homogeneity, and etc. And then here at the line number 39, we can find that it's a speech command which tells us the brain whether it's normal or abnormal, and I mean it's speak outs. And now under this headline we can see that line number 43, we can see that in this program the brain is classified here, and it goes through 150 iterations in here, where the accuracy is 99.3% accuracy can be attained by using this code. And then the major part is at the line 58. Here the segmentation is done. The processed image is here segmented and then further sent to the global image thresholding using OTSU method. After the completion of processing by the steps before, we use the OTSU method in image thresholding to classify the image. The image is then classified, and to attain more clarity and the area of the tumor, we use watershed algorithm. You can see that at the code below 86th line. And that's it. It's the end of the code, and I will show you the working. First, let us feed two different kind of brains. Here it is undergoing iterations.
Brain is classified as normal brain.
Now, after the process, the brain is classified as normal brain. And here are the images. It's the input image. And then the input gray image, which is the normal image, is turned into grayscale image. And this is the iteration phase. It completed 150 iterations. And then the brain is classified as normal brain. Now let us feed another brain.
brain is classified as abnormal brain.
Here the brain is classified as abnormal brain. Here we can see the outputs. This is the input image brain, input MRI scan, and this is the grayscale image of the input. And after undergoing iterations, here are the 150 iterations done. After that we will get the third figure. It is the output of the segmentation. And then to know the area of the tumor, here through the segmentation of the Otsu method and watershed, we get the size of the tumor here. And the brain is classified as malignant. That's all. Thank you.